Alright, welcome back for some examples. Get your table. You're going to need that either in your book or on your orange sheet. And you're going to need your calculator. We're actually going to grab that one today too. Okay? So, you're going to get really good at drawing some normal distribution curves today. So let's say I want to find the probability that z, see they already changed it to a z for you, z is less than negative 2.75. So first I want to draw a picture for you so that we can see what it is that we are doing, okay? So the probability, negative 2.75, is way down here. I don't know if you can see that very well. I have 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Less than is shading to the left, so it's just this little bitty piece off here. This is a z-score, so I'm going to go to my handy dandy table. I'm going to go find negative 2.75. Can you find it? Hit pause at any time so that you can go and find things, okay? Negative 2.75 is 0.0030. That means that the area is 0.0030. And that is the probability. Remember how I said the area, oh, it's right here. The area under the curve is the probability of the event. Cool. Let's look at another one. Probability that z is greater than negative 1.96. Now this one's going to have a little twist. I'll show you why. Here's negative 1.96. I want greater than. Oh, terrible shading. Oh, I hope yours was better. Greater than is to the right. But, Miss Noble, the table shows to the left. Guys, what's the area under the curve? The area equals 1. So if I take 1 minus this area, I'll get this area. So this area is 1 minus whatever this is. So let's go look it up. Negative 1.96, negative 1.96, boom, 0.0025. So it says this area is 0.00, I forgot what I read already. I got distracted. 0.025. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this area is the rest. It's the complement. Oh, how cool is that, right? Okay, so we're going to take 1 minus 0.025, and that is 0.075. Nifty. So we looked up the area to the left, and we took 1 minus that to get the area to the right, because we're finding the complement. Oh, that was fun. Okay, these are for you. I'm going to suggest that you hit pause right now, try the 2 problems, and then come back and see if we did them right, okay? Here goes. I'm going to go to 1.23. I want greater than. I go look up 1.23 on my table. Yes, it's a lot of flipping. 1.23 is 0.8907. This side is 0.8907. So this side is 1 minus that. And, I gotta calculate it. That is 0.1093. Woohoo! Alright, 2.22 is about here. Less than is to the left. Okay, so I'm going to go to my table to 2.22 is 0.9868. I don't have to subtract because this is to the left. Oh no, I forgot what it was. No. 9868. And yes, I'm this much of a spaz when I do it in front of the class too. I keep forgetting my numbers. Alright, so that was fun. I hope you did well at that. If not, go back and take a look at it again, okay? Let's kick it up a notch. This'll be fun. Oh no. What is happening here? The probability z is between -3 and -1. So I'm going to go sketch out the region between love compound inequalities. What is happening here? What's happening is I have this area will be what I find on the table at -3. So at -3, I find that it is, be sure you're at 3.00, by the way, that area is 0.0013. Okay. Then I'm going to find the area at -1, -1.00. Be sure to go clear over on the table. This one is 0.1587. Guys, this is all of this area. Okay. So if I want to find the area in between, that's right, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to take 0.1587 minus 0.0013. And probably should have just done that in my head. 1574. Nice. Alright, let's try this one. Put on your thinking cap. Here goes. Z is less than 0.5, which is here, 0.5, and greater than 1, here. Less than 0.5 is this way. Greater than 1 is this way. Think about your table. Your table is going to give you this area, and your table can give you this area. And if I want the area, I want the area over here, I'm going to have to do some mathy goodness and then use those two answers. Alright, let's go attack. I want the area to the left of 0.5. 0.50 is this is 0.6915. The area to the left of 0.5 is 0.6915. The area to the left of 1, watch your table, it's backwards on this side, is 0.8413. Okay? What does that mean for this area? I need these two areas together. So I have this one, I need this one. Complement, do 1 minus 0.8413, and that will give you that area. That is 0.1587. Here's what we want. I want this area to the left, 0.6915, and I want this area to the right, 1587. And I want to combine those together. So this time I'm adding the two. 0.8502. Did you see what happened? This one I wanted the area between, so I had to subtract the big area minus the little area I wanted to take out. And this one I wanted the two areas on either side, so I had to add this area to this one, which was a complement. Okay? So I combine them together. Thinking about it. That's why I like to draw a picture while I'm getting used to what I'm doing. Anytime you're a little confused, draw a picture, and it makes it a little easier to do, okay? I brought two more along for you to try on your own. So hit pause, try these two, and then come back and see if you got the right answers, okay? Hit pause. Alright, I'm going to go to -2.87 and 1.34, and I want the area between. This means between those two. So I shade. I'm going to go look up -2.87. Oops, -2.87 is 0.0021, and I'm going to go look up 1.34. 1.34 is all of this, which is 0.9099, and I'm subtracting this little piece off. So I have 9099 minus 0021. Oh, that was nice. Let's just do that. Yay! Okay, second one, we're going to go less than negative 0.55, so out here, greater than 3.68. Oh, that'll be interesting. You ready for that? Here we go. I'm going to go look up negative 0.55. Negative 0.55. This is 0.2912. Did you notice that 3.68 is not on the table? We call that, see, it runs right off the table. The last one on there is 3.49. Anything greater than that, we just call it 0.9999. See how it's 0.9998 here? Just call it 0.9999 no matter how big it is. If it's 4 or 5, doesn't matter. We call this 0.9999. Okay, there's your tip for watching the examples. Alright, what do I need to do with these two? Well, I need to find this area first. So it's 1 minus 0.9999, which is 0.0001. So I need to add these two together because I'm combining the two areas. I want you to keep in mind that these are probabilities. Okay, so we're finding the probability of it being here or here and adding those two together, combining. All right, so this is going to be used, we're going to put words to it in the next section, but you just need to get used to using your table in this one. This is one of the problems in the book, this guy, and so what I want to show you is it's finding the area between negative 1 and 1, and between negative 2 and 2, and between negative 3 and 3, and between negative 3.5 and 3.5. What you're going to find is that it's not exactly 68% or 95% or 99.7%. Okay, it's close, but it's not exactly. So it's just due to rounding, and we're going 4 decimal places on the table, so it gives you a better approximation. But anyway, you would go and find between, so you're going to take the big area minus the little area. It's exactly what we were doing above. I'm going to go and find these real quick. And then you can hit pause and see if you can do it. But it is one of the problems in the book that we're doing. And as of today, I'm still uncertain about how that's gonna work out for us. But we'll see. All right, so this one turns out to be it's in percents. This one turns out to be 68.26%, 95.44%. This one's 99.74%, and 99.98%. Okay, just finding the areas between. We took the big minus the small, and that was how that worked out. So rounding to 4 decimal places, that's how that turns out. But look, it's very close to what we were looking at. Oh, I think I said 65 earlier. I don't remember what I said. Maybe I didn't. Alright, so anyway, nice little problem from the book. Okay, go and attack section 6-2. See how you do. We'll meet up again later. Bye-bye.